Welcome to my channel. So now I will teach you about the birds. In this lesson we will learn parts of an eagle or bird, beaks of the bird, feet and claws of the bird, how birds fly, feathers of the birds, nests of the birds. So let's begin. Let's start with parts of the birds. Okay, I took a picture of eagle and this is the beak of the eagle, eye, head, wings, feather, tail, claws, body. Okay, this is the body. Let's come to beaks. A bird uses its beak to catch and eat food. Different birds have different kinds of beaks depending upon the food they eat. Birds such as sparrow and pigeon eat nuts and seeds. Have strong, short and hard beaks that help them to crack open their food. Flesh-eating birds such as eagle and vulture feed on small birds and animals. They have strong, sharp and hooked beak for tearing flesh. Birds such as woodpecker have strong pointed beak. Such beaks help them to poke holes into hard tree trunks and pull out the insects. Uses its beak to look for food inside tree holes. Water birds such as duck and goose have broad and flat beaks. These beaks take in muddy water with insects, worms and plants using their beaks. Birds such as hummingbirds suck nectar from flower. They have long and pointed beaks which help them to suck nectar. This is the pointed beak. That will go longer and longer. Let's come to feet and claws. Feet and claws. Birds have 2 feet usually with 4 toes on each. They use their feet to walk and hop around as well as to catch and hold food. Flesh-eating birds such as eagle have very sharp claws called talons. Using these talons, they pick up small animals such as toads, mice and rats. Perching birds such as sparrow uses its feet to hold on the tree branches and sit on them. This is called perching. Scratching bird such as hen have sharp claws to dig the ground. A peacock also digs out food using its toes. Climbing birds such as woodpecker have 2 toes pointing in upward direction and 2 toes pointing in downward direction. This helps these birds to climb up and hold on to trees. Water birds such as duck have webbed feet that help them to swim in water. Water birds such as heron can walk through water. This is called wading. Wading birds have long legs with spread out toes that help them to walk in water. How birds fly. Birds fly with the help of wings. Wings are joined to the body of strong muscles that help them to move. These muscles help the bird to move its wings. To fly, a bird flaps its wing both in upward and downward direction. These strokes are called upstroke and downstroke. This is downstroke and this is upstroke. Feathers. A bird's body and wings are covered with many feathers. There are 3 kinds of feathers. First one is body feather. Body feather cover a bird's body. Then Down feathers. Down feathers are fluffy and soft. They keep the bird warm. Then flight feather. This is first flight feather. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th. So many are there. Flight feathers are found mainly on the wings and are meant for flying. Nests of the bird. Bird will nest using leaves, straw, twigs, wool, cotton and thread. Birds take care to build their nests in safe places from enemies and bad weather. We can see bird nests on trees, on the terraces of buildings and sometimes even on ceiling fans. Birds build their nest mostly to lay eggs in them. It is the nest, then their eggs hatch and the chicks stay till they are old enough to fly. Birds keep their young ones safe and warm in the nest. Let's peep into the nest of some birds. Tyler bird. The Tyler bird. This is the Tyler bird. This is baby I think, and it makes its nest using the two leaves. It will join the two leaves. The Tyler bird uses its beak like a needle to sew leaves together to build a nest. It also uses materials such as thread and wool to sew the leaves. The weaver bird uses its beak to weave pieces of leaves, grass or twigs to build a nest. The nest has an opening through which bird can enter. This is the opening. The woodpecker uses its beak to peep into tree trunks and make a hole for a nest. Penguins live in very cool places since it is difficult to find twigs and grasses or straw in such places. Penguins collect stones and pebbles and make their nest on the ground. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video.